A webinar participant asked, can you test multiple assumptions with the same prototype? So let's dig into this question. The short answer is yes, but I want you to be very careful. So what we tend to do, one of the values of assumption testing is we're testing a very specific assumption, and this allows us to create a small prototype. We can create it quickly, we can get data quickly. And so what we want to be careful about is we don't want to fall back into full idea testing, where we're prototyping the entire solution and then testing like 10, 15, 20 assumptions at the same time. That's just going to get us back into slow project-based testing. So when does it make sense to test multiple assumptions with one prototype, but still keep our prototype small and our tests small? We often have desirability assumptions and usability assumptions that are linked together. Like we might have an assumption like our user will notice the feature, our user will understand what the feature means, our user will click through and engage with the feature. Sometimes we can just do one small prototype that exposes that, that feature in the interface, and we're looking for, did they click on it? And if they clicked on it, we could probably very quickly afterwards ask them to explain to us what they thought it would do. And that allows us to test, did they see it? Yes. Did they click on it? Yes. And were they aware of what it actually meant? Did they understand it? Right? So in that case, it does make sense to do one small prototype and test multiple assumptions. If you're going to do this, I want you to define them as 3 different assumption tests, meaning you're setting success criteria for 3 different tests. So you're defining how many people clicked on it, how many people you expect to click on it, and what your threshold is for success. And then you're setting a different set of criteria for did they understand what was behind it. And so from their verbal response to your question of what did you expect to happen, you're going to evaluate that as a separate assumption. So there will be times where you will test multiple assumptions with the same prototype. Be careful that you don't fall into the trap of falling into big idea testing and you're getting into slow testing. And definitely set success criteria for each individual assumption and treat them as independent tests. It is very often one will pass and another will fail. So keep that in mind. And by the way, if you're new to assumption testing and this is a new idea for you, check out that assumption testing article in the post. And if you have experience with testing multiple assumptions with the same prototype, share your best tips in the comments below.